up guys, welcome back to another video, another challenge, and thank you for subscribing. And we're gonna have a 100 subscriber giveaway. To be in the giveaway, you need to subscribe and like our videos and comment down if you did those two things. Please don't put your setting on private because you won't be in the next drawing. And the background is still there because we couldn't have the time to bring it down.
And don't mind the hats too. We know it's not St. Patrick's Day, but we just thought it would be cool to have them on.
Alright, well once again, thanks everybody for tuning in again. It's your M3E squad right now. Before we head into the video, we'd like to say once again, thank you to each and every one of you for participating on the last giveaway on our Valentine's. And we did promise you that when we do get 100 subs, we will do another giveaway. And in order for your name to be considered in this giveaway, we would like to ask you kindly, please, if your settings is on private, make sure that it's not on private, because even though you are subscribed to our channel, if your settings is on private, your name will not be picked or considered in that drawing, and that's only because we will not be able to know who you are. So please, we do appreciate you subscribing to our channels, but we need to make sure that your name is also shown in there so that we know that your name will be in that drawing. And so please, once again, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to click that button and make sure that you turn on your post notification, because we will be also giving shout out in our next videos. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and get into the video. And today we are doing the Cereal Ultimate Challenge. Yes, that is right. So let's get into the video and hope you guys like it, and stay tuned.
So today we're doing the... Let's get started and get the bowls ready.
Alright guys, so we are about to start right now, and let's go ahead and start with the cereal. And I would like to ask for Willie Anter, if you could please go ahead and pick up your cereal and show it to us so we can get it going. So alright, so Willie Anter will be taking the tricks. Each one of them will get a family size of their own choice of the cereal that they want. And so for the first off is Willie Anter will be on the tricks. And let's go ahead and ask for Marlson. Why don't you go ahead and pick your cereal, and you can go ahead and pour it in your bowl once you got your cereal. So Marlson's got the Fruity Pebbles. Okay, all right. And moving on to the third one, we have Elston. Please come up and take yours. Okay, so Elston's got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, family size. Okay, go ahead and fill up your bowls. Go ahead, Rossin, and take yours.
What?
Oh my goodness.
So Rossin's got the Cocoa Puffs. Okay. Woo. And Mars is the last one, and he's got the Frosted Flakes. Holy moly. Oh boy. I'm telling you guys, this is the ultimate cereal challenge. Alright. Look at that. That's Willie Anters, that's Marlson, that's Elston. Oh boy. That's Marlson. And that's Rossin.
Don't put too much.
Oh, we have another one.
Ooh, look at that.
Whoa.
Okay.
I wanna eat it right
Okay.
now.
Are you trying to find the milk?
Yeah. Oh boy.
What is someone?
Oh, that's perfect.
Oops, me all the time.
Come on, go on. Pick it up.
Austin, yours is small.
Hey, what all everywhere?
Oh.
Mine get
You need more milk?
Whoa!
There's more milk in the car.
Fix it.
Okay.
Oh, there, yeah, there. Oh,
Hey, have some here. After you.
Oh my goodness. You literally can swim in the bowl of cereal.
some more. Lots of. Dude, he gets less. Let's have a short prayer. God, please help us and thank you for this one we're doing, and thank you for our food, and thank you for this beautiful day. We pray, amen.
All right, so we are starting, and so they're gonna have to race against a 13-minute time. So let the game begin. Oh, that looks yummy. I feel like I want to eat some of that cereal. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh man. Might be what? Put one on the side or on this chair. Oh. Oh. That looks yummy. Wow. I wanna eat some. Hey. Man, I want to eat some of that cereal. How you doing, Rawson? You alright? You think you can make it? Okay. How about you, Elston? Okay.
This guy is a cheater.
I'm a cheater.
That's why you can drink your milk like this.
Okay, but it's smart.
I have this.
Yeah, it looks like this is a very exciting game for these guys. They're just like enjoying the cereal.
This is going viral.
All right, so we still have about 11 minutes.
I can't finish this. There's too much pieces.
No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain.
This is too much. Yo, mine didn't even move.
Come on, Rawson. You okay, boy?
Yeah. Yo, can we switch more?
No! Scoop it up, scoop it up.
Whoa.
Oh boy.
And I feel like I want to just jump in and join these guys. I'm so hungry. I want some sugar.
Yo, food. I need my food.
You like it?
What have you got?
I'm full. Oh, I only have like a two like this. No.
We've got 9 minutes.
Oh, where?
9 minutes. Look at Rawson. Man. Come on, Rawson. You can do it.
I can't do it.
Do it for LaFarson.
Bro!
See, LaFarson,
She has this more than you.
if you were here,
Whoa.
you would have probably done a better job than this guy.
Ah, damn fool.
You guys want to get the steak?
No.
What?
I need some milk.
You need some milk?
I don't care if I'm there.
That's so weird. So weird. I can't.
Okay, so if you give up on this competition, this challenge, just raise your hand up. Okay?
But if you give up, you have to give me $5.
No.
Alright, so just put your hand up if you're out. You're out?
Yes, I can't finish this.
Okay, that's fine.
Come
That's
on,
fine.
man.
Alright, so it looks like Marlson has given up already. And he still has
Yes, halfway, man.
maybe a 1/3 of that.
It's
Why-
so shaky.
And Rawson.
Excuse me.
Okay.
So full.
You're too full. Alright, so you've got about, right now you got 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh, we're at the halfway point.
Austin, stop sucking the milk and just eat.
Mom, don't talk. You're out.
Ah!
Remember, if you cannot continue on, just raise your hand if you're out. If you want out. Okay?
I'm done.
Can't finish this.
You said you were to give up.
Yeah, but I couldn't finish. Guys, it was too big for me. I only
I
had.
have to say you're gonna win before the video.
Remember,
Hey!
if you want out,
Gonna win or say 45. I give up.
you give up.
My milk. Dude, it's on this side. Mouse. Looks like milk. Round little.
Are you giving up, boy?
Me?
Mm-hmm. No? You've got 4 minutes and 23 seconds.
Please talk like that to me.
Dude, Rasta, do you need a bigger spoon?
Well, I'm not eating breakfast tomorrow.
This is like,
I'm not saying
it's like a wheat breakfast.
look at mom.
No! Look at this!
1 minute and 40 seconds.
You give up?
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Did you?
You can give up.
1 minute remaining. Alright. The countdown begins. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Alright. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Finish my milk.
Don't do that, don't do that. Alright, look at Ross's, it's still full. Not even halfway down. That's Elston's. Alright, not that bad. Morrison's
guys.
one is still full.
Your man took the L.
And that's Willianta. So it does look like. What do you guys think? That's Mars.
I put more milk.
And that's
I think we'll answer one.
Yeah,
Will
we
the
have to
answer.
watch. Comment below.
alright. So you guys put that in the comment below.
Yeah, comment below. Okay, guys, we're done with the video, and we couldn't finish the cereal, and we had fun. And please like it and subscribe so you can be in the giveaway.
What about you guys? Any one of you guys want to say anything? No?
Oh, shout out to Andy Sandy's sister for subscribing, and yeah, and Andy Sandy's nephew that plays on the same center, Senor Clemente. That's all.
Okay. Alright, so guys, remember, don't forget, if you want your name to be in that next drawing, please don't forget to get your setting off private so we know who you are. And once again, let's all continue to grow and make sure that we share and tell everybody, to your friends, to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you guys share and continue to follow us. Alright, peace, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Peace.